Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how I prepare this yam recipe. Okay, yeah, this is yam ball, you heard me right. So join me, let me share with you how I make it. Okay, so here I have some leftover yam. This is just yam that I remained. So I was thinking of what recipe to prepare it with, and boom, this recipe just struck my mind. Okay, so I'll first of all peel out the back, the skin. I'll remove it, then I'll cut it in four so it will cook quickly. Okay, so I'll wash it and put it inside the pot, and it's already in the pot. I'll now sprinkle some salt to taste to it and allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. It won't be up to 20 minutes because the yam cook faster. Okay, so this is 15 minutes. The yam is all well cooked. I allow it to cool off and then transfer it in the bowl to mash. Okay, so I'm using potato masher. You can use fake if you don't have potato masher. Okay, so I've mashed it all and then set it aside. In another bowl I'll crack in 2 eggs and then I'll add milk. If you don't have milk, you can use water in placement of it. Okay, so I'll beat it and make sure it's all well whisked, and I'll then set it aside. I have here some breadcrumbs. I made it myself. You can prepare it yourself or you buy it from the store. Okay, your choice. And if you want to know how I make it, you can tell me at the comment section so I will show it how I make it. So in another bowl I have just 1 cup of flour. I added half teaspoon of salt and nutmeg. If you don't want to use nutmeg, you can use paprika or pepper crack. Okay, if you want the pepper flavor. So I then set it aside and now start to mold the yam. Okay, so I'm molding it in a ball or round form just like this. So I'll continue molding it till I finish molding all the yam. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free, it doesn't cost anything. Okay, and then click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Please also like, comment and share. Please, it helps my channel to grow and for the algorithm to recommend it to other people. Okay, thank you so much. So I've all molded all the yam and then I'll now first place it in the egg. I'll coat it with the egg and then the flour and lastly to breadcrumb. Okay, you can double coat it or you coat it once. I coated it once. Either one, either way you like it. Okay, or you coat it with the flour first, then the egg, and lastly the breadcrumb. Okay, the breadcrumbs is the last thing to be coated with. To my returning subscribers, I thank you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for all the like, share and comments. I so much appreciate it. Okay, and if this is the first time I've seen my video or coming across my channel, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Then click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, comment and share to your family and friends. I like to have you as part of the family. Okay, thank you so much. So I will now coat it all, and this is the last one I'm coating. This is the last yam I'm coating. Okay, so it's now ready to fry. So I've been creating the oil. I'm using vegetable oil. So I just use skewer to check if the oil is hot, and as you can see the bubble, the oil is hot already. Okay, so I'll start dipping the yam balls in the oil to fry. Okay, and also remember to fry on a medium heat. If you've watched to this moment and you have not subscribed yet, please I'm begging you, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. And our yam ball is all ready. It has turned golden brown. I will now scoop it off, and tada, our yam ball is all ready. You can enjoy it with mayonnaise or ketchup. You can also prepare a pepper sauce for it if that's what you prefer. Okay, guys, seriously, this tastes heavenly. Prepare it for your family and they'll forever be grateful. Okay, bye.